forever strong, mighty, beyond imagination.
What are you?
So, I'm Rodgar, king of the dance. Look at how wonderful my country is. My people, my home, everything is just so wonderful and significant. Look at my country.
Yeah!
I'm so happy!
Whoa!
I'm so pretty!
Whoa, I'm so full! Look! It's me!
It's such a wonderful day. Look at my people. They are so happy.
Yes, they're so happy.
Look at the middle hall. Isn't it wonderful?
Yes, it's just wonderful.
Who built that wonderful main hall?
It's you, my king.
Oh, this such wonderful thing is all made by myself. I'm so proud of myself. Ha 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 ha.
Oh my lord, I'm so proud of you!
You are my God. We love you so much.
The King of Dance!
I hate peace and joy. You guys shut up. I want to make you guys lazy. Destroy.
Oh, I love my work!
I enjoy working. Oh, they are so diligent and hardworking. I want to destroy them. Oh, I feel so exhausted.
Oh, I don't want to work anymore. Can we just stay here and sleep?
Oh, we're so lazy.
Yes.
Oh my God, I'm so worried. How could my people be so lazy? Tell me, what could I do about that?
My king, don't be so despaired. You will find a solution.
How? How could there be a warrior that can help me defeat that monster? They all be killed by Grendel. Do you know that? How can we do?
Don't worry, my lord. There will be a hero come to help us.
Oh, I'm just so worried about this. Please help me find the best warrior to defeat right away that monster.
Do you know who I am? I'm Beowulf. And I have heard that the Danes are suffering from some miserable. Oh, I've heard that the Grendel was attacking them and all the people there become very lazy. I've heard that my uncle was once saved by the king of the Danes. So I must go come to them and help them. So let's see what's happening there.
I'm so desperate. Why all my warrior all be defeated by this Grendel? Who's this Grendel? Tell me, who can help me defeat that monstrous monster? Who?
I can. first name, and Wolf is my last name, and I also have a nickname which is called Bear Dog. I'm from a long, long way away from Gates, and I'm here to help you to defeat Grendel.
No! He can't! Are you the bear wolf who took Africa in a swimming match on the open sea? Risking the water just to prove that you could win?
Yes, but that is because I wear a lot of armor on my shoulder, and I also defeat lots of monsters there. So I'm the winner, okay? Wait, I'm not going to fight with my weapons. I'm going to fight with my bare hands. Wow! Go! Ah ha 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 ha! I've told you, I'm the winner.
Oh, my poor son! I'm so sad that you were killed by that evil bear! Oh, that's okay. I will take revenge! I want to take revenge!
You, stop it! Grendel's family again? Stop killing people here! I'm going to take revenge on you! Boom!
Oh, Beowulf, thank you so much for helping us defeat that hideous monster Grendel and his mother. Thank you so much for saving our country.
You're welcome. That's what I'm supposed to do. And now I'm going back to my country and I'm going to protect my people there.
Okay, I'm gonna reward you with a rich treasure and take you to the boat.
Thank you so much and I wish you all the best.
Let's
Bye.
go.
I'm sexy. Someone has stolen fire from me. And I will send fire on them. Hey, excuse me?
Oh, so hot! Oh.
Too old. I can't handle anymore. But I can't let that monster destroy our people, destroy my country. I can't let my country set on fire. So now I'm going to fight the last time, the last battle. You. Damn it. Oh, I feel so. No. Finally, you died, but I'm so hot I can't handle it anymore.